Okay, boys. I finally did it. I got this little son of a beach out of the exhaust here. Let's see. So this is what it looks like without it. Pretty open. I honestly thought that these little holes down here were part of the Baffle, but turns out no. These are like, this whole thing's like tack welded in there. Mosquito, die. Anyways, so this is just it. So I think maybe right here, this little weld piece was holding it up. But yeah, this was a bitch to get out. Needless to say. You can see a bunch of scratch marks in there. I went to AutoZone and I got this slide hammer, and I had to use the block and one of these hooks. And the way that it worked was I had the hook here on just one of these holes here on the block, and then I had to switch it back and forth because there's not much room. You can't get two down in there, but I was able to get one. So you just slide it down in there and catch it on the lip right here, and then just hammer it out. And you switch back and forth between like the long side here and the short side right there, and eventually you'll get it out. I think I swapped back and forth maybe like 2 or 3 times, and then it finally popped out. So that is how you take the baffle out on the STR-1 SC Project exhaust. Next up will be putting on a lowering link, and yep, that'll probably be the next video. All right, catch you guys later. Bye.